Alright, good evening all. This is a video I made for the Traders Tribe as regards to why we have this indicator down here. Well, for starters, this indicator below here is called below here. This point here, below here, it's called the stochastics. Well, it's an oscillator. Basically, what it does, it was created to mark oversold and overbought conditions, but it's not suitable for doing that as it is as what people think. Some people think that when it's oversold you buy, or when it's overbought you sell. At times they do work like that, but most times they don't, because they are oscillators. They move from one end to the other end. So basically, why I use it, and they work best. Yes, before I forget, they work best in non-trending market conditions. So once the market is trending, chances are you have something that looks like come please, something that is just one way. Okay, something like this, something around, look at this point here, something from here now down here, all through this point, all through this up move, when the overbought territory. So if one was just selling outrightly because you were in overbought territory, you could have lost seriously. So that's that about that. So we don't buy when it's in the, because it's in the oversold territory, and we don't buy because it's in the overbought territory. Considering how it is used by the mainstream, this point 90 here, from here above is overbought, so you can expect a sell, and from here below is oversold, so you could expect a buy. Well, there are sometimes, because I use 90 and 10 because they are rare. By the time it gets there, chances are we're really in overbought territory, and we could be expecting. I just have it there just to use as a point which I could expect something. I might not have it. I might not take a trade because, and I will never take a trade because it's in an overset territory or overbought territory. So there are three reasons why why we have this indicator on our chart. There are one, for divergence purposes. Now, what is divergence purposes? I think I should start by explaining how the indicator works to start with. So when price is going up, like here, price is going up here, this point here, the indicator is also going up. As price retraces back, the indicator also retraces back. Then as price continues going up, the indicator might follow the price, but if it doesn't, then that's an indicator okay, maybe the upward momentum or the upward flow is losing steam. So that's just how you read it. So what I do with it is I mark the highs on price, and I mark the highs on the indicator. If the high on the price and the high on the indicator are not the same thing, then we can say, okay, the price is diverging from then what we're looking at is a divergence. So a divergence is simply price going up like this. As it's going up higher here, it went higher here. At this point here, it went higher. At this point, it also went higher. So we'll be looking at the chart at the indicator. At this point here, we're high. Although it's not going to be exact, because the indicator is a lagging indicator. That's why we use order flow. Order flow will move first before every other thing will move. So the indicator is a lagging indicator. So before it moves, that means the price must have moved an extent, or you could have already seen it on the order flow before you could see it. But sometimes it moves exactly at the point. But notwithstanding, we will not concern ourselves with how the price moves. So if price is going up, you want to look at the indicator. Okay, where am I in the grand scheme of things? Okay, are we going higher or are we going lower? So price is going up here, and we're looking at the highs here. There's a high here. This is one high. At this point here, we'll mark it. Okay, price moves higher again. Now we've passed the high. Are we getting a higher high or a lower high on the oscillator? This is our indicator below. If we have